Yes.
Please, Lord. With the consent of other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 37 and 38, my lord.
37, 38.
My lord. May be taken up, my lord, after 2 weeks, my lord. Some instruction is required. I have taken consent, my lord.
37?
And 38,
Okay. Review petition.
my lord.
Mr.
R. Sharma, my lord.
Arthur, on the prayer of Mr. Arthur Matnan, counsel for the petitioner. On the consent of other side, comma, let this matter be listed after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Huh?
Of like.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, Lordship, and IA for Monday, my lord.
May it please your lordship. With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 23 of today's daily list, my lord. Senior counsel, Mr. P.K. Tiwari, he is not keeping well, my lord. So, my lord, this matter may be adjourned.
23.
Yes, my lord, it's tagged with item 22.
Yes.
I have obtained consent from all the parties concerned.
You are for petitioner.
Yes, my lord. It may be taken up next Thursday, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr.
You Pathak, my lord.
U. Pathakman, counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P.K. Tiwari, the senior counsel for the petitioner. You are only in item 23.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner in WPC 3350 of 2024
21st, my lord, Thursday.
on the ground that Mr. Tiwari, the senior counsel, is indisposed today. Therefore, in this comma, let this matter be listed after
On Thursday, my lord, next Thursday, 21st.
list on
21st, my lord. Highly obliged.
Pray for listing of a fresh writ petition on Monday.
May it please.
22, 23. Huh?
May it please your lordship.
Should I beg to mention for listing? May I pray on 22nd, my lord?
No, we have picked so many matters. After a week, next to next week,
Next to next week?
next to next week. You just
Then, my lord.
Give the date.
26. 26, my lord. I'm.
Item number
29, make it 29.
Yes, I beg to mention item number 33, my lord.
Ah.
This matter is heard in part by Honorable Mr. Justice UK Naya, my lord. For 33, my lord.
We don't know why this is listed today. If it's part hard, how can this be listed today here before this bench?
Yeah, I don't know. But it is heard in part by Mr.
If you don't know, who will know?
He will know.
It is submitted by Mr. K. Kalitalan, counsel for the petitioner, that this matter has been heard by other bench list of registry to verify
B60.
and take registry to verify. If it is a part hard, let the matter be listed before the appropriate bench.
May it please, lordships. I beg to mention for listing on 29th. Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30. Lordship, we require 3 weeks time to file our rejoinder affidavit. That
On
may
the
be
prayer
done.
MS,
Be sick, your lordship, on behalf of H.K. Das.
then counsel appearing on the SK Das Land Council for his responding is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. List after 3 weeks.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for item number 1, your lordship. I am appearing on behalf of P. Gauhati, your lordship.
Ah.
This matter will be listed after 1 week.
Why?
My senior counsel is not well, your lordship.
Motion matter, why adjournment unnecessary? Why this get listed? On the prayer of MS,
HZ Daisy. Appearing on behalf of P. Gauhati.
appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Gauhati, then P. Gauhati,
Yes,
then counsel for the petition. Let this matter listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
1 week, your lordship.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, item number 26 and 27.
Hmm.
May lordship pass over for the day, lordship.
Why?
To my senior is not actionable.
26, 27, huh? On the prayer of so and so, so and so. And Huck, your Saikia,
K. Soikia.
appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Huck,
And
then counsel for the petitioner. These matters after
date
3
may be-
3 weeks.
Lordship, date may be fixed, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention for listing, Lordship, on 29, Lordship. Plus.
Mr.
M. Hussain on behalf of RLE.
M. Hussain, Land Council appearing on behalf of Land Council per the petition submits that the writ petition is become in process. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed as in process.
Deeply obliged.
None appears for the petition on call list after 2 weeks.
Item three.
Contempt petition, my lord, against the order dated 2/4/9/25, my lord. Page 44 operative portion.
Yes, heard Mr. N. Bora, Land Council for the petitioner. This is an application under section 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1970, read with article 215 of the Constitution of India, alleging willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 02/09/2025, passed in WPC 2781 of 2025. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. The Land Council for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon at least contempt number 1 and 2 by speed post 2, 3. There are 3.
My lord. Three, my lord.
3, huh? 1, 2, and 3.
The other court, Lordship, that's why.
Which one?
Respondent number 2.
Huh?
Item number 2, right?
Since in
Item number 2.
Sorry.
Much play.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioners are elementary school teachers. My lord, the
Ah.
rate petition is for arrears salary for 3 months.
3 months.
My lord, the position, it is admitted position, my lord. My lord, like, kindly see the,
Well, issue notice, that's all.
my lord, 20, they were asked to, my lord, kindly see order dated 24/4.
Hmm. Yes, G. Pegu.
But here, my lord, 75 petitioners are there, my lord. They have annexed only one, my lord, accommodation order, my lord.
Hmm.
And 76
No, you
petitioners
see,
are there, my lord. And they have only annexed one of the, my lord, accommodation order and test for 55. So it is
Still
difficult.
only issue notice, that's all.
My lord, annexure 5, all
Heard
the,
Mr.
at least.
KK there,
My lord.
Land Council for the petitioners. 76%.
My lord, all the leaves are there, my lord, annexure 5,
The petitioners
my lord.
claim to have been appointed as what? What
My lord,
teacher?
elementary school teacher, LP school teachers.
I don't know, yeah.
Teacher, my lord.
Huh?
Simply as the
Assistant teachers. Within bracket, step in the
their accommodation order, my lord.
page 55. The claims for area salary for the month of for
My lord,
for the month of
November, December
November
2020 and January.
for 3 months. With for November, December, November, December 2020 and January 2021. For the services they have rendered. List of the petitioners were at least the appointment of the petitioners were found to be illegal or irregular. However, where is this appointment?
Appointment, my lord, all appointment letter I have not annexed, my lord, 1, 2 and 3.
Only one, page 55.
And the list is there, annexure 5, my lord, their list, my lord, they have prepared the list, all the petitioners' names are there. Annexure 5, it is from the finance department, my lord. All the lists are there.
It's okay, what I said. List of, on the intervention of this court. No, pursuant to the order of this court in connected connected writ petitions. And the petitioners who are subjected to verification, what verification or what? Subjected to verification. Subjected to verification and found to be bound verification by the Sudendra Mohan Talukdar Committee, which you had not recommended, but found to be working till that time. Subsequently, the petitioners claims to have been adjusted, accommodated as tutor by an order dated 30/01/2021. List of the police stuff, that's all. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks as MS S. Chutia Learned Council, Standing Council, Elementary Education Department enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the
Number 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 enters. Who else? Finance? Who is finance? You just inform. Yes, earlier, huh? Learning console have entered for all the rest, no formal notice. Need be issued, however, extra copies be furnished to the and council for the response list after 4 weeks.
Well, may I pray for a returnable date, my lord?
4 weeks.
A date.
4 weeks, sir.
To obtain instruction lordship, but instruction is yet to receive lordship. Instruction is yet to receive. I was directed to obtain instruction lordship. So
So
lordship, once I get the instruction lordship next week, lordship will file.
next week. Heard Mr. M. Datta, learned senior counsel, assisted by learned counsel for the petitioners.
It has not been issued there, lordship.
Huh?
Copy has not been issued.
Next week,
Next
this court, considering the matter, considering the issue involved in this writ petition, directed Mr. Tabil, the learned standing counsel, as Education Department to obtain instruction list on 24/04/2026. Mr. Herbert, today, Mr. Tabil, learned standing counsel, submitted a press call another week to receive the instructions. Mr. President, allowed list the matter after a week.
My lord, but since a motion matter, my lord, can I prefer date matter?
Friday,
Right.
next
Well,
Friday,
Next,
or Wednesday,
Then
Friday, next Friday.
Friday, lordship, it will be difficult for me, lordship.
Why 1 week? Today is Friday.
Lordship, I will not be available on, I may not be because I have got one matter, other fixed matter.
1st June. Item, next item is similar, my lord.
Same order.
Same order.
6, 7.
6, 7.
Same order.
Deep level, your lordship.
Same order.
May please, your lordship.
Oh, 7.
Item 7.
Lordship. So basically, lordship, the case for non-payment of arrears, lordship, from lordship, which 1/8/2018 to 36/22.
Why? How you have not been paid?
Uh,
Why you have not been paid?
Lordship,
Who are you?
I am the Lordship Hindi teacher of Banbak High School, Lordship. Initially, I was appointed Lordship as in Pensa School, subsequently it was provincialized with effect from 1/1/13.
The petitioner claims to have been appointed as Hindi teacher on 08/08/2009. Which is school?
Paschim Banbak
Huh?
Anshalik High School. At
Paschim?
page 15, Paschim Banbak Anshalik High School.
Paschim Banbas,
Banbak.
Banbag, Anchalik High School. Whose services was provincialized. However, one services which was challenged by one Sri Aidun Hussain. List of after series of after various after series of litigations. Your this thing was that is set aside
Lordship,
finally. Huh?
finally Lordship it was set aside, but now it is pending.
Finally set aside, but the provincialization of the service of the petitioner was finally set aside and directed for reconsideration. Set aside by an order dated 10/07/2015. No. 21/7/2022. And directed the said and directed the response authorities to reconsider the case of said Ahedun Hussain. List of the petitioner. Your order has been set aside.
Lordship, order has been set aside, but Lordship, at that time when I was working, my service was duly provincialized, Lordship.
Huh?
Now, the matter has not yet been Lordship finally disposed of.
Not
It is
yet
pe-
challenge this order, Lordship.
No, Lordship, it is before the Lordship tribunal, not here,
Tribunal.
Lordship.
The petitioners claims for payment of arrears salaries for the period with effect from 14/09/2018 till 21/07/2022. The petitioner, the service of the provincialization order of the petitioner was set aside on the ground that during the pendency of the proceedings, the petitioner has served as Hindi teacher
Hindi
in the said school. Issue notice, which annulled by 4 weeks. You are appearing for all. 5 is record their name as so and so. No formal notice needed. However, extra copies will be furnished to the land council today. The land council will respondents.
Number 7 only, Lordship.
Huh?
Only 7 Lordship will text us.
Okay. Then you write 7 to take steps for service of notice about respondent.
Obliged.
Obliged.
May it please, Your Lord.
Yes.
Lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a professor in the Tezpur Mental Hospital, my lord. In fact, my lord had the occasion to deal with a connected matter earlier. The facts are otherwise very long. Just to briefly indicate, I'll just place the relevant facts. But what had happened was, there was this respondent number 9 who was functioning as a director in the institute. And he overstayed, not only overstayed, he was resorting to large-scale anomalies. So me and some of my colleagues, we raised an objection. And that is when the harassment started. Although he was compelled to leave the post, he installed one of his persons who is much junior than me. Thereafter, my lord, one after the other show cause notices being issued to me, or interfered by this honorable court. Now, my lord, what has happened is, if your lordship will kindly turn to, they have initiated a proceeding against me. If your lordship will kindly turn to page 102. But
Where is the order?
the impugned order is at my lord, page 132. What I am challenging here is the person who has been appointed as the inquiry officer is the wife of the respondent number 9, against whom I had raised objection. And she is the subject matter of one of the charges.
130,
Page 132.
132.
My lord.
There are so many impure orders.
There are 3, my lord. Well, in fact,
132.
132. This is the main order.
Then
Whereas disciplinary inquiry has been initiated, etc., etc. Third paragraph, your lordship will find. Now, therefore, the competent authority in exercise of powers conferred upon him hereby appoints Dr. Sonia P. Deori, so and so, as the inquiry officer. Now, she is the wife of the respondent number 9 against whom I had raised the objection, and she is also the subject matter of the disciplinary proceeding itself. In fact,
what is 711? Oh, same.
711 is this. And then, my lord, I submitted a representation pointing out all these things. That has been rejected, my lord. That is the next impugned order. 145.
Concurrence. This page 33 and 32 and 33 is what?
Page
32.
132.
133
Ah.
presenting officer.
133 is the presenting officer. That I don't have any problem. 132 is the inquiry officer.
Okay, then
Then I represented against this. This has been rejected, my lord, without citing any reason. That your lordship will find at page 145. That is also under challenge. And now, in spite of all this, in fact, I have written to her also that you should recuse because you are the subject matter of the disciplinary proceeding itself. And that page 159 is the next impugned order. This is this Sonia Deori, inquiry officer, has directed me to appear before her. So these are the
159.
159. So this is a clear case of, my lord, apprehension of bias. And then a person who is directly involved in the allegation against me.
Which respondent number 8?
Respondent number 8 is the wife of respondent number 9.
Who's
The person against whom I had raised objection.
What is her service?
She is also
She is working as
in the mental hospital, much junior officer than me. She is a professor and head of the Department of Psychiatric Social Work.
heard Mr.
My lord,
I. Chaudhary.
this is some, they have petitioner stated some false statement. The earlier director has not relinquished his service. And he is still getting the salary of.
It's okay, we'll not.
We are
My lord, it is scheme issue. And
No, what the petitioner is apprehending is bias. Because there is a case there was a litigation between the petitioner and the husband of the respondent number 8.
My lord, bias.
We'll see, we'll issue notice.
Mere allegation of bias. shall not accepted, my lord, as per the
See, reason is
Object-
respond number 8 is the wife of the respond number 9 against whom the petitioner has
my
a
lord,
litigation.
what is the
against.
my lord? But he has not, he failed to satisfy the authority, and therefore,
Okay, we'll see.
my lord, it is come after the completion of the DP, my lord.
Yes,
DP, my lord,
Ah.
at observed with the Honorable Supreme Court.
we'll consider all.
And they have stated in various so-called notice, various so-called notice,
Hmm.
my lord. But
In the Supreme
eh,
Court cases,
but-
was there any allegation that the inquiry officer is related to a person whom the to the related or the husband or wife, or they related to a person whom the petitioner in those cases had a litigation against?
but my lord, once.
We'll consider everything. We'll give you a chance.
My lord,
We'll issue notice. Heard Mr. I. Chaudhry, London Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. K.P. Patak, London Counsel for the petitioner. Next para, challenges made in this writ petition is to the order dated 07/11/2025, passed by the OSD, Deputy Director. And other one is,
Other one is page 145.
and then whereby the respondent number one Sri Doctor Sonia P. Deori, Dean, Professor and Head Department of Psychiatric Social Work, has been appointed as inquiry officer to inquire into the charges framed against the petitioner, the page 145,
145.
order dated 27/03/2026. What is this?
Rejection of my representation.
Rejecting the representation passed by the OSD, Deputy Director, rejecting the representation of the petitioner against the appointment of the aforesaid inquiry officer.
And 159.
And you said and as well as the then 159.
Here, that respondent number 8 has directed me to appear before her.
And as 850, page 159, as well as the communication that is 04/05/2026 issued by the said inquiry officer directing the petitioner to appear. On 06, this 06/05 is already over.
Otherwise, my lord, since I have submitted another representation, that is why they have not acted upon this. But
On 06/05/2026, on the ground that the appointment, the appointment of the respondent number 8. On apprehending bias on the part of the inquiry officer, as the inquiry officer is the wife of one Sri, this thing, one Sri. What is the name of that person?
Dr. Sailendra Kumar Deuri.
Respondent number 9, Dr. So-and-so, respondent number 9 hearing. Due to the litigation between the petitioner and the said respondent 9, which is having bearing on the charges of the petitioner. Is not it?
And also the respondent number 8 is the subject matter of the charges itself.
And the respondent number, the,
Respondent number 8, who is the inquiry officer, she forms part of the charges against me.
and the respondent number 8 forms herself forms a part of the subject matter of
Of the
charges,
proceeding.
charges
Charge.
against the petition. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
The last
Yes,
representation,
this,
6/5/2020.
you are appearing for all. Are you appearing for all?
Well, notice may go, my lord.
That's why, are you appearing for all
I can.
or are you not?
I can, my lord.
All,
Yes.
since Mr. No, not Union of India. all.
Other also. But,
No,
because,
I don't know, 6 to 9, my lord,
Up to.
by name.
6, huh? 6. No, sorry, up to 5 by. Enters appearance, access notice on behalf of all the, all above respondents, no. Report, one respondent 1, 2, 5, no formal notice need be served in respect of above a respondent, however, extra copies. Then the counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice of 6, 7, 8, and 9, huh? During 2 working days. Next para, hard on interim prayer. Considering the submissions of next para, then counsel for the, then senior counsel for the petitioner. And considering that the subject matter, the inquiry, the inquiry, respondent number 8, who has been appointed as inquiry officer, herself is the subject matter of the charges against the petitioner, as well as who is the and is the wife of the respondent number 9, namely so and so, against whom the petitioner is litigation is still on? No,
There is one.
has litigated
There are
against.
some litigation, but your lordship may say, I have objected against his.
No, has litigated against the respondent number 9. No, no litigation as such.
There are objections, man, not litigation.
Objected against the service of the respondent number 9. There's no litigation as such.
Pending.
Objection against
He is not a party.
from which the charges against the petitioner is arises out of arises has arisen, comma, till the returnable date, the impugn order so and so, and the communication so and so, 3, huh? Shall remain suspended till returnable date.
Applied.
If last presentation, that open and issued.
You filed that. You have rejected again.
My lord,
You have rejected again.
He has to prove first.
You filed the affidavit saying that we have already rejected.
And every administrative order, so.
What is the allegation? Allegation itself appears to be very, very vague. Directly approaching the higher authority. What is this?
Yes, my lord.
If the director is holding the post beyond his period of service,
One cannot.
and if the higher authority doesn't consider the objection, then everyone has a right to approach the higher authority.
By not bypassing the proper channel, my lord. They can.
Proportional is the direction.
My lord,
It's not only vague, it's rather bizarre.
there is one office memorial number.
Who is the appropriate authority to be approached?
My lord, ministry, my lord, and different ministry, my lord.
The petitioner has approached whom?
Ministry of family welfare, my lord, directly.
So, whom they have to approach first?
Director.
Director himself is holding the post beyond his service period. It's not only vague, it's a visual itself. Visual, very, I mean, surprising.
But we cannot, my lord, he is not clear in some.
It appears to be completely by way of retaliatory, I mean, kind of avenge or revenge kind of thing.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Had it been a very serious or certain other allegation, the matter would have been different. We would not have unnecessary.
May I plead the lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner is the senior most graduate teacher lordship of the
Ah.
high school, and he was allowed to hold the charge of the post that lordship will find at page 25.
How you are agree, which is the impugn order? You have
no,
been offset.
Actually, what happened? No, not offset lordship. Lordship,
Huh?
what happened? He's still continuing.
Then,
Thereafter, lordship, what happened? The selection process was initiated for promotion to the post of headmaster. The government approved 57 number of vacant post, lordship. Now, lordship, government, what they did, lordship, out of only 57 number of posts, 22 posts are.
heard Mr.
And lordship, exactly.
Heard Mr.
Edeka, lordship.
Edeka, London Council for the
Lordship,
petitioner. Well, let's just issue notice.
No, lordship, till then, lordship, the service may not be disturbed.
My lord,
Because
at least
only-
they cannot.
No, lordship, coordinate bench already considered
Well,
this,
that-
lordship,
that-
for a moment, kindly see the
London
order.
Council
Page
for the
56.
petitioner.
Lordship, kindly page 56, for a moment, lordship. Page
What-
56,
what
exactly
page?
same, lordship, two coordinate benches ordered there.
At that time, process was started. Now there's no process is going on, lord.
No,
Yes.
that is why, at any moment they can.
Now we are yet to take the process for filling up that headmaster, lordship.
No,
Claim to be aggrieved of
lordship, for a moment.
non-selection
Page 57, lordship,
for the post of headmaster
headmaster. lordship.
headmaster of what? Of which school?
LNB, Lakhinath Besbora High School, Morigam.
Where do you get it?
Lordship, it is synopsis, lordship. Appointment order, lordship will find at page 20,
20.
lordship. And in violation of rule 12 for lordship.
Just wait.
Yes, page 20, lordship. The name of the school, serial number, lordship, 10.
10.
My appointment order 2007, 10, lordship.
What is LNB?
It is Lakhinath Besbora High School, lordship.
Where do you get the full form?
That's it. Because I know that the name of the school.
Huh?
I know the LN means Lakhinath Besbora High School. The great literary lordship.
LN Besbarua High School,
High school lordship.
Morigaon.
Lord.
Pursuant to the regular selection process whereby how many headmasters were appointed?
57, lordship.
Whereby
Lordship, post were,
22 posts have been
yes,
filled up
out of
on regular basis. This writ petition is filed. This writ petition is instituted. Next para. It is the contention of the petitioner that he is holding the in charge
yes, of the
headmaster of the
LNB High School.
Besbarua High School, Morigaon. Having
from 31
having all requisite
Qualification.
qualification and eligibility to be appointed as headmaster. Mr. How about the respondents?
Page
Respondent authorities have only filled up 22 posts out of 57 vacancies. Vacancies without considering the case of the without by not selecting the petitioner,
although he has been recommended.
despite his eligibility.
No sufficient
Lordship,
vacancy.
we could not
Next
fill
step.
up because we didn't get the financial sanction
No,
at
we
that time.
cannot. We
Yes.
just cannot do fill up.
Lordship,
If you want to fill up, you fill up on
Lordship,
regular basis. We cannot force them to fill up all the posts.
Lordship, for a moment, kindly see page 57.
You are working.
I'm
Be
working,
be
that is
happy.
one, Lordship, not to disturb, till the post is not filled up, Lordship, my subject is not to be
Selection
disturbed.
process was
That's what the
done.
coordinate bench already passed this order, Lordship.
Wrongly,
I'm praying for
rightly.
the same order, Lordship. Page 57, for a moment, page
That was
57.
issued because at that time that process was
No,
going on. Now
no,
no
Lordship.
process is going on, Lordship.
It's
at that time.
complete.
No, Lordship, not complete. After completion, Lordship, kindly see page 63/2/2026. Till then, his service may not be disturbed. Let them proceed.
Whether that post has been filled up or not.
No,
No, all, have they filled up, Lordship? I got the chance for promotion, Lordship. They
Therefore,
have not filled up. No,
Therefore-
that is why, Lordship.
therefore, let them fill up
let-
till the time, until it is filled up, you will not be disturbed.
No, Lordship, they apprehension, Lordship. I will-
If a apprehension,
Yes, yes, Lordship.
we'll reject, see, we'll just, we'll
Lordship,
just
page
keep it,
63, I'm stating here, Lordship.
keep it.
No, not to disturb, till then, Lordship.
No,
not to
we'll,
disturb.
if that, we'll reject your prayer. You are just apprehending.
No, Lordship, can you see, they, Lordship, at any moment they can, Lordship, they have not, Lordship, abandoned the process. They are on, the process is ongoing, the learned just now submitted. The process is ongoing at any moment without considering the petitioner's, Lordship, prayer, Lordship. They may, Lordship, fill up the post, that is
it
why.
will be filled as part of
Can you, if
seniority,
it is
Lordship.
fill up, you will also be considered.
No, Lordship,
Why you should not? you
then
should
I
not
will be
be-
replaced, Lordship. That
I'll
is
not- you
that is
will
why,
be-
that is
why
why
you
this,
should not be considered.
that is why, Lordship, for a moment, this honorable court has concept, page 63, for a moment.
Third
No, no.
issue notice returnable by
Lordship,
4
page
weeks.
63, Lordship.
You are appearing for all. As Mr.
Yes, yes, Lord. Page 63.
SMT Learned Council, Standing Council. Huh? Then Standing Council. For what is the school education, secondary
Secondary school,
education department enters appearance on behalf of respondent 1, 2, and 3. No formal notice need be however extra copies. Huh? Learned Council for the petitioners to take steps for service and not respondent 4 and 5. Huh? Hearing. 4, then 5. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Huh? You are for 4.
Yes, government.
In that case, we'll say you write their names, all, so no problem.
So till the
Extra
notice,
copies.
status quo, Lordship. Lordship, for in violation of Rule 14, Lordship, they have conducted the selection process, and the schools which are provincialized in 2013, those schools are also excluded. Lordship, for a moment, that is why I'm.
That is
Lordship-
because we
No,
didn't
no,
get
no.
retention.
Let me submit
Lordship.
complete. Lordship, for a moment, kindly see page 63. Two coordinate benches has passed this order. Because they cannot do, because Rule 14(3) says, once they, Lordship, ascertain the vacancies, they have to fill up. So in violation of Rule 14(3), Lordship, for a moment, look at page 63. Exactly for the same district. Till then, that is why I'm praying for, not to disturb my service.
That was because at that time,
Or again, the petitioner.
And it will not affect others, right?
Last paragraph, second one. Praise for a direction to fill up the left out available vacancies for on regular basis. Available post of headmaster, including you,
Yes,
his school,
yes, Lordship.
including his school.
And my service will recommend it, but they have not promoted me.
Left out available post of available vacancies for the post of on regular basis. Huh?
And they are directed to file affidavit. Why they have not filled up? Till then. Page 64, Lordship.
No, nothing will happen.
No, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see the Lordship in the interim, Lordship, page 64, same district.
Huh?
It is provided herein that if the petitioner is holding the charge of headmaster of so and so school as claimed by him, the said position shall not be disturbed. I'm praying only for that. Let him go ahead.
that was because at
No.
that time that process was going on.
No, this-
No process is going on, Lordship.
Lordship, on 2nd of April, this order was issued. And Lordship, the more important thing is that it will not affect the others, right, Lordship?
Promotion will be given as per the seniority list.
Yes, yes. But already they have recommended my
It's the
service,
same prayer.
Lordship.
In this case, same prayer.
Yes,
Page
same prayer.
62, same prayer.
Prayer, Lordship.
To fill up the 22
My
posts.
landed pen was there.
57 available vacancies.
We could not, because at that time retention was, financial sanction was not there.
It's okay.
So financial sanction we received
Next
for
para,
limited number of
last,
posts.
having considered the discord
Now
in a similar matter,
So disturbing
has
this position is not.
similar challenge, a similar matter has passed an interim order to the effect that if the petitioner is holding the charge of the headmaster of the state
LNB.
school on
LNB.
in-charge basis, the position, the said position shall not be disturbed till the next returnable date, comma, I deem it appropriate to grant it and pass the similar interim order. Please step accordingly, huh? If the petitioner is holding the post of headmaster of so and so school,
Since
L so and so on in charge basis, comma, till the returnable date is the same till reference same shall not be disturbed.
No, no.
Understand? It is made clear that
No, sir, I will, then I will.
it is made clear that
I
the
will be
responsible
happiest person,
authorities would be at liberty to proceed with the
Yes.
regular process of no to
Yes,
to-
yes,
to-
61.
would be at liberty to proceed with the selection process. Selection
Remaining
of
vacant post,
recruitment
Lordship,
process
remaining vacant post, Lordship.
for filling up the post of headmaster on regular basis, strictly in accordance with the applicable
Lord.
rules.
Yes.
Because in those cases, Lordship, the authority has been directed to file affidavit, Lordship.
Obviously, we have issued notice, it's up to them.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship,
10 to similar, 10 to 15,
Yes,
10 to 15.
yes.
10 to 15.
Similar matter, 10 to 15.
10 to 15,
Ah.
all matters
Same.
are same, similar.
Ah.
Only. This writ petition is related, it pertains to
The amount is different, Your Lordship.
Yes,
is, different.
same school, different school,
So there is a
Good, sir.
different school also. Iqbal
Different
Chaudhary,
schools.
Yes.
you right, heard, mister?
Amount
Hussain,
effect it has been different,
Ah.
Your Lordship.
Jad Hussain, on behalf of
J. Hussain,
Jad Hussain.
J. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para.
My lord,
By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to
Pertaining
My
to
lord.
item 10, Your Lordship.
direction to the respondent authorities to pay the unpaid arrear salary amounting to rupees 94,960 for the period
Lohune.
with effect from 08/06/2023 to
My lord.
29/02/2024. 24, huh? Why you have not been paid?
Go.
Are we still working?
Yeah, yes, yes, my lord.
No, you said in between you added by filing this the
My
petitioner.
lord, in this
Who is
in
working-
this case,
Huh?
schools are different, data are different.
Just wait. Is TGT at Salmars SS School at Katlichera, in the Halakandi district. Then, Then what is that? Not that. Before that, you just, by filing this writ petitioner who is working as TGT at Salmar's SSC school at Katli, Chera, in the district of Hailakandi, has prayed for her. Huh? Direction so and so. That will remain. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Miss MS P. Das, learned standing counsel, elementary, secondary education,
And four.
all.
Two, three, and four.
2, 3. Who is for one?
For one I'm okay.
Okay.
Against.
H. Alia, learned standing counsel, finance department, and MSP Das, huh?
All your
Appearance
lordship.
appearance
three and
and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondent, no formal notice need be served. However, extra copies will be furnished to respondents. This is one, item 10. This is item 10.
Your lordship, arrear salaried rupees 94,000.
Yes, I said so. This is the same thing, different school. Huh? Name of the school will be different. The amount will also be different, right? Amount and name of the school,
Amount and
10 to 15. Item 10 to 15.
Sir,
Don't do mistake. Huh?
Lordship,
Mistake out from
all
the
matter may be taken.
list of.
And there is a correction.
Maybe should not, it's okay, we'll see.
yes.
My
Next.
lord, there is a correction in cause list. The name of the petitioner advocate is showing HRA Chaudhary instead of HR Chaudhary. It should be HR Chaudhary.
HR Chaudhary.
You ask, you go and go to registry. Go to the office and tell them. 4 weeks. Notice returnable 4 weeks.
Extra
Right.
copy may serve upon us.
Yes.
Soft copy diba. So number 2.
Item 16. Take a copy. Yes.
My lord, they were serving as secondary teacher at 21, my lord. I'm praying for a similar order at page 348. Your lordship has already passed.
Huh?
Your lordship has already passed similar orders in this kind of matters. They were appointed as this.
What is that order?
348. my lord. Only in place of Bongaigaon, it will be Dhubri. And for the year 93, 94, it will be 93, 2001. Your lordship passed similar orders in WPC 2420 and
Do we have that?
2420. That is not, we did not get the copy.
What is that order we passed?
2420,
2420?
yes, 2020.
This code has passed
Yes.
based on this,
Yes,
you remember?
2420 and 2430.
Two writ petition.
Yes.
Ah.
Similar to this order.
See, when it was disposed of,
It was 11th of this month.
we're based on this page 348. We have passed a note. This code has passed a note. Dispose of the same month. Right.
Only the district will be Dhubri and
District
the year will be 93, 2001.
93 to 2001. 93 to 2001.
And the district Dhubri.
You'll get it. Find it out. Writ petition number?
Yes, 242026 and 243026.
You find out similar.
Order passed on
District
7/5.
Dhubri, year will be 93 to 2001. Heard Mr. B.D. Das, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. S. Bora, as counsel for the petitioner. And also heard MS N. Fukan,
Yes.
learned standing counsel for and standing counsel for elementary education department. Notice
And 4.
1, 3, and 4.
Finance
And
department
Mr.
is also there.
alia, learned so and so, huh? For response number 2. Then we say, considering so and so is disposed at the motion stage, huh? Similar order. Just difference will be district and the year. Huh? If I get that and submit. Dispose of.
Yeah.
Earlier, we have already passed a similar order based on the page
Series of
348.
cases, but they are under the process of making
Ah.
them regular employees.
Lordship, especially last order, Lordship.
Lordship, will kindly see the last order. I have received my instructions, Lordship, regarding the base my lord. I'll be filing my additional affidavit. On the previous occasion, we had given the instructions regarding the salary. He's being paid his salaries.
What about the change in the base school?
We have got the instructions.
What is the instruction?
My lord will bring in the form of an affidavit, my lord.
No, what
It's
is the
quite a
instruction?
work,
Tell us.
My lord, it's quite.
Why unnecessarily keep it pending?
Yes, my
When
case
there is no
Lordship,
dispute
My
as
lord, I've
such?
got it today, my lord. I need to file my affidavit because he has to reply also, my lord.
No,
Not
my case,
necessary.
my specific.
Now,
case-
what remains? You are getting the salary.
Yes, yes.
Regular salary, no issue now.
No, I was directed to join at the base school, Lordship. That cannot do.
Thing on record, my lord, because it is quite voluminous, my lord. It's been given to me today, my lord. I've received
In
it.
violation of their own Lordship Shiksha Kshetra scheme or guidelines, they have directed me to join at a base school, and that order should also be passed on by the director. But this order is issued by the
claim
block.
of petition for change in the base school as identified by provincial and service teacher working in Sadar Bazar, others Amis, Madras, and the.
So let them respond, Lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
Deka.
A. Dekar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. Mr. A. Fukan, learned standing counsel, elementary education, submits that he has received the instruction to which he would like to bring on record. It's a dispute is only, na? That
Yes.
change of
Change of
base
base.
school. As regards the issue of change of base school.
Or indirectly
What I
the
said,
merger, Lordship.
to which he would like to bring on record by an affidavit as regards the change of
Base school.
Base school.
BASC, base school.
base school. Just, therefore, phrase for 2 weeks' time. Prayers allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
So after 2 weeks, a date may be given.
Then 3 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship, 2022 matter, Lordship.
3 weeks. Give the date.
Lordship. Also interim order is there. Lordship.
Interim order passed earlier, shall continue.
Online, Lordship.
May I please?
Yes.
Maybe possible for time being, my senior is on legs, madam. He's coming, madam.
Balance period of service of decision proper
It is covered by the division bench judgment.
Issue is presently before the. This issue is before the division bench.
Yes, my lord, already division bench already settled the matter, madam.
Saying what?
My lord set aside the single judge order and my lord considered the 3 years, condition of 3 years, madam. I have the judgment, madam. Further.
Have you gone through?
My lord, apart from that, my lord, apart from the lapse of 3 years, that has already regularized by the division bench, my lord. But father of the petitioner died in 2007, my lord. Purpose of the scheme, my lord, immediate assistant to the person, my lord. 2007 case, my lord, now
No,
in
no, if the
2026,
issue
my
is-
lord.
My lord, the petitioner was minor and that my issue of minor already settled by this honorable court. In other writ petition, which we have already annexed, my lord. Order I have already annexed.
It division method. This is judgment of ours.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, my lord.
Affidavit is not required. Then we'll hear the matter.
My lord.
Heard Mr.
I allow.
I am learned counsel for the petitioner and also heard Mr. P. Seki, learned state counsel, as well as
1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, Lordship.
then you write first her name and then P. Seki. For the respondents, huh? Standing counsel, elementary and state counsel, for the respondents, huh? Admit list for hearing after 3 weeks. Public.
My lord, the date may be fixed, my lord. This is
We'll see after 3 weeks.
19 is same. 19 is also same, my lord.
19, 18, 19.
Stick together. Maybe just a few.
1920.
Please, Lord, my lord, in this matter, my lord, the respondent BT is supposed to take instruction, my lord. They have, my lord, while petition has been, my lord, retired voluntarily, and there have been 147 lakh something has been recovered from my pensioner benefit, my lord. That is under silence, my lord. Yeah, Pala.
Lord, may I please, Lordship. Respondent number 2, Lordship, has already been filed their affidavit, Lordship. So for this affidavit, our instruction and affidavit may not be required, Lordship. This is filed by the Director of Higher Education, Lordship. And so for rectification and resubmission, we have resubmitted, Lordship. We can support.
You support you support the case of the petitioner.
No, Lordship. Higher Education affidavit, Lordship.
Who?
Let them file reply, Lordship.
My lord, in
Let
the
them file reply.
their state respondent has agreed, my lord. They are trying to, my lord, accommodate my amount, my lord. They are in the special stated, my lord, to waiving the excess dwell, my lord.
Yes, who has filed the affidavit?
If education state.
Who has filed the affidavit?
Director of Higher Education.
Then why are you keeping quiet? What is your stand?
Admit position, na lage.
Yes. Who is your senior counsel? Where he is? Where is this? You are challenging what? The recovery?
My recovery, my lord, the affidavit page 77, my lord. By the
Page 77.
my lord, the bottom from bottom paragraph, my lord.
What is this?
My lord, the 47 lakhs 58,170 has been, my lord. They have recovered from my pensionary benefit.
In view of them, it is respectful that the director so and so rectify the dates of effect of stage 2, senior stage 2 and stage 2, and also recording rectify the entries necessary with principal and resubmitted pension proposal is directed after calculating excess drawal so and so, showing the overdrawal amount in the form 9 so and so assigned from the pension government. What does it mean? What does it indicate? As per proposal submitted director BTC regarding waive of excess drawal so and so. When on the basis of proposal, BTC this director has submitted a proposal to government in the regarding waiving of excess drawal amount, which the matter is now under consideration of the government of Assam.
My lord. My lord.
So
either, my lord, court has to dispose of, either we have to wait, my lord, what is the final decision of the government? Because as per the Rafiq Masih's case, my lord, I am entitled to That my amount, my lord.
See, this was sent on 30/03/2022.
My lord. My lord.
Who is for the government? Who has to do this? Government in the higher education department. Heard Mr. So-and-so. Call him. It's 2022. It's been pending for consideration of waiving the excess amount. Pending before the higher education department. Please call him. We'll take after some time.
My lord.
Either we'll ask them to obtain instruction or
My lord.
we'll dispose of the matter.
As per Rafiq Masi case, my lord.
Not exactly. Not exactly.
My lord.
Item 21.
Lordship, taking up this matter after some time, Lordship.
Why?
Senior is on legs, Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Matter pertains to Lordship, the petitioner participated in advertisement for the post of assistant teacher, Lordship.
Ha.
Thereafter, I have secured more marks than other candidates, but my name has been not enlisted in the provisional list, Lordship. That is the matter. No affidavit has been filed, Lordship.
Affidavit has been filed. Why? You have received.
Yes, I have.
What does it say?
Thing is that my petitioner has submitted his betterment mark sheet only, not the original one.
Ah.
Here, my lord, he has to submit the original mark sheet of the higher secondary examination.
So, Lordship, let them file affidavit, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. P.K. Bora, learned counsel for the standing counsel, what? Secondary. Elementary education department submits that he has received the instruction to which he would like to bring on record by an affidavit for press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Press for 2 weeks. Press list after 2 weeks.
Lordship, they fix it date, Lordship.
3 weeks then.
Lordship.
Give the date after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged.
10/24.
Any affidavit?
Lord,
Yesterday. Filed affidavit. What is the matter about?
Lord, the matter about is we have challenged an impugn speaking order, my lord, by which our claim for salary had been rejected, my lord.
Okay.
My lord.
Are you still working?
Yes, my lord, we are working, my lord.
Teacher.
Teacher, my lord.
Why teachers are not being paid the salaries in Assam?
They have termed us as an illegal and irregular category, my lord.
In which country in the world the teachers are respected most? Do you have any idea? They are respected and treated like a god.
Yes, my lord.
Which country?
Germany, my lord, it was. I have also heard about it, but I forget, my lord. India, it is treated like a criminal, sir.
Find out from Madam, find out from Google Baba. And Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioners. MS S.Suti, learned standing counsel for secondary education, elementary education, submits that she has already filed the affidavit of opposition yesterday. I 14/05/2026. However, same is not tagged with the writ petition. List of registry to verify. In the event the affidavit is filed by the respondent to take the same with the record. List after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Have you received the copy?
Yes, my lord. Now just let me.
3 weeks.
Obliged.
That is senior counsel. Sometimes I forget, forget, huh? So you just check, huh? Yesterday, I think one senior lawyer also, it's been not recorded. Huh? Day for yesterday. What's that? NNB Chaudhary. Yesterday's matter. You correct it. Otherwise, they may, and the seniors may feel offended.
No.
It's not intentional, huh?
No, no, my lord.
Sometimes in the process of,
It
I
will
mean,
take some-
cutting the order,
My lord.
we tend to forget.
My lord. Obliged.
25. 27.
Yes, sir. Huh? Had MS, Mr.
MK Hussain.
MK Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, MS P Das, learned standing counsel. And secondary education submits that affidavit has been sent for vetting. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Press for 2 weeks. Time to file the affidavit, comma, there is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
A date may be fixed, Lord.
Then 3 weeks.
I'm
If you want
duly
that
obliged.
after 3 weeks. Okay.
Item 28.
Yeah, Lordship, if I.
একজনের হেৰি জমা দিছে PPO, একজনের হেৰিটো জমা দিছে বোলে petitioner 1 instruction আছে নেকি? PPO
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, here, what has happened is, Lordship, here the treasury, Amingao, Lordship, they do not have a record of the petitioner. That is what I've been told. And they've been, I've been informed by the treasury officer that the petitioner had visited also. And she was not sure whether her bank account, where her bank account is. And whether she's drawing the pension from this, the Amingao treasury, or whether it is Kamrup treasury. And there's Lordship regarding the pension papers. One half is with the petitioner, Lordship, one half is with the bank. Now the petitioner does not have her half of the pension, her half of the pensioner, PPO. Now Lordship, here if some details, because we, the treasury officer does not even know about the bank details, neither does the petitioner, Lordship, because they had visited. There's some communication, and I have been informed there's some communication gap also, because Lordship, here some cooperation might be required from the petitioner or the counsel of the petitioners to give us those bank details.
Yes,
please.
Mr. Ali.
My lord, we have submitted, my lord.
No, they say the treasury, she yourself doesn't know which bank account he's drawing.
And in the page 27, my lord, this is report from my lord director. Here also PPO has been given, my lord. Number has been given.
No,
Number
what
has
is
been-
that after the orders,
Lord.
after this court's order, last order,
Lord.
she visited, your client, the petitioner has visited, but she herself doesn't know which bank, Amingao or
Lordship.
which treasury,
Lord.
Amingao or the Kamrup.
Yes, Lord. That is
So
also
work it out, what's
Lord.
there, why you unnecessarily
Lordship.
making, advise the client.
Lord.
Simply will say that you often will say
For instruction, my lord.
instruction, will just say.
joint the respondent takes some details, we do not.
Yes,
have the details.
uh,
Some details regarding the pensioner.
Heard Mr. R. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, it is submitted by Mr. H. Ali, learned standing counsel, finance department.
Yes.
That the petitioner indeed has visited the treasury office,
Yes, Lord. Amingao.
Amingao, wherein the, she,
No record has been found regarding.
no, wherein the petitioner could not submit the required details, including from which treasury office,
Bank account also from
which bank account or treasury office within bracket, either Amingao treasury
or maybe it's Kamrup Lordship.
or Kamrup within bracket.
Vaguely mentioned Kamrup Metro.
I say the petitioner could not. However, the petitioner could not requisite documents and the information as regards the drawal of pension, as regards what?
Family pension.
Drawal of family pension, either from treasury, either from Aminga or Kamrup within bracket, either from Aminga or Kamrup, and also the bank account, bank details, list of considering above Mr. R. Ali and considering of the petitioners and the respondents to work out the details for work out the details within a period of 3 weeks. 3 weeks, then counsel for the parties to apprise this court on the next date as regards the so apprise the court on the next date as regards the progress of the matter. Yes.
David Lordship, I'm praying for weeks time.
Heard Mr. J. Abedin, learned counsel for the petitioner. Miss MS Escort, learned standing counsel. Elementary education department, phrase for granted further 2 weeks time. 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Otherwise, another thing could be done, my lord.
Huh?
Another thing, if my friend agrees, can you file a representation that can be disposed of by the respondent number 1?
Let him file once you have filed.
Yes.
We'll see. You may
Well,
file.
My lord, then make it 2 weeks, my lord. These people are going to, all three are going to
No,
retire.
whether they can file the affidavit within, it's of no use fixing the matter.
Instruction.
Let us be practical.
Yes.
3 weeks. If we fix the matter after two weeks, and if they cannot file, same thing will happen. Unnecessary. Make it 2 weeks. Yes. 3 weeks, sorry. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Pilot here, Department is examining whether the petitioner are similarly situated with that's the petition number 5641, 2014.
You want some time to examine?
Required.
I heard Mr. So-and-so learn counsel for the petitioner. Mr. G. Pego, learn state counsel for standing counsel. Irrigation? Sorry, elementary education submits that he may be granted some time to examine as to whether the petitioner are the similarly situated persons with the
Petition number 5641.
with the petitioners in the WPC
5641.
5641 of 2020. Mr. Phrase allowed list the matter after 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 4 weeks.
34.
It is these matters, huh? Affidavit. What is the matter, sir?
Regularization of service lordship.
Huh?
Regularization of the service.
What regularization? Which post?
Gate 4.
Huh?
Gate 4 employee, petitioner gate 4 employee.
How?
Affidavit on last occasion, learned friends took time for signing affidavit. lordship.
What is this 15-10-2018 order? 15-10. Pending royal department proceeding quasi assisted by the Singapore employees who was arrested and sent to jail as per so and so.
So here you are awaiting
Is hereby placed under suspension. Further quasi is hereby allowed to drop. Yes, then why are you saying the regulation order? A regulation
Regulation lordship. Now.
of what?
I think
Regulation of what?
service.
You are under suspension.
Suspension.
You have been placed under suspension.
Suspension.
Then,
Suspension. Thereafter, I am pending same post, same position, lordship.
huh?
I have filed representation, submitted representation. There is no action after representation. lordship.
What is your prayer here?
The regulation of my service, lordship, it is my prayer.
Regulation with service.
Such a reinstatement.
Reinstatement.
Any department has been initiated.
Get my lord, I'll be filing my affidavit, my lord. I'm appearing, my lord, the 26 matter, my lord. I'll file a detailed consolidated affidavit.
What is your prayer, sir?
Reinstatement of my.
Why you are saying regularize? Why it should be reinstated? You are involved in a very serious offense. Any disciplinary proceedings has been initiated. So cause is there. He may not know. Say since 2018.
Notices have been given to him, my lord.
Huh?
Notice has been given, everything has been given.
Simply notice will not do.
That
You
instruction.
have to, if you want to initiate discipline proceeding, you have to issue memo of charges.
My lord, it's a 26 matter, my lord. 2026 matter. It's a recent matter.
And Mr.
J.M. Sulaiman.
Please
J.M. Sulaiman.
appear before the court.
Lordship, I on behalf of.
Prepare your matter.
Actually, I am not, I am contacting advocate HMR Chaudhary. I am not in the court law.
Then don't make a
On behalf-
submission without knowing anything.
On behalf of him, Lordship. Now, he is not come.
Don't make any submission without knowing anything.
Next time. I will prepare.
It's amounts to misleading. Misleading the court.
No, Lordship.
Then
Lordship, I am not in the.
why you say the regulation of service?
Lordship, actually, I.
If you don't know, you don't know. Don't
Lordship,
make a submission.
Actually, Lordship,
Not Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel, your name is there.
yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
J.M.
Sulaiman.
Sulaiman, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. As prayed for by Mr. A. Fukan, learned standing counsel, elementary education. For the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavits. The respond, anyway, it's okay.
Pleasure.
Just last lesson. Lesson. Obviously, they'll take time.
Wait, please. But the petitioner,
Affidavit is required, not required.
they can take the instruction and because it pertains to examination.
Saying what? Tell us what's there.
Also, based on his instructions,
Petitioner can definitely appear provided he qualifies the fourth semester examination. He can appear on the seventh semester examination provided he qualifies for the fourth semester. He has to finish the fourth semester.
The fourth semester examination, my
passed
lord,
in there.
I can only appear when I'm in the eighth semester. That is the difficulty. That is what the case is about, my lord. And time and again, I have requested the authorities that please allow me to appear for the fourth semester, the examination.
Fourth semester.
Yes, and the university, I have written to the university. University says that you forward your application through the principal of the medical college. That the principal has not done. Lordship will kindly have, my lord, one page, my lord. Page 32, my lord.
So who has to give the instruction?
Instruction, my lord, they appear for all the respondents.
Huh?
They appear for all the respondents.
Who has to consider that?
It is up to them. It's between the university and.
Sir, who are you?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the health department.
Are you a standing counsel? Then you are not authorized. Please.
Lordship may take the matter after some time. Lordship, I'll just inform Mr. B. Gogoi.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi is aware of the matter. Last time he had appeared.
It cannot be done like this. We can understand for adjournment, we'll see.
We have the instruction. Just after some time.
See, what's your name? We're not just discouraging you. You don't take it as kind of, we encourage. But in this is a case, you cannot appear assisting the standing counsel, just randomly like this. Be careful. All of us want to support you, young lawyers. But certain things has to be maintained again. After some time, we'll see. It will last admission. Simply only one.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
In terms of last order, Lordship, GPF final payment authority has been issued, Lordship, to the BEO Lakhimpur, Lordship. This is my
So what is to be done?
Lordship.
What
Now
is to be done?
GPF is settled, Lordship.
Huh?
Other part you will say, Lordship. GPF paid, Lordship.
It has been settled.
Yes.
What is what is their claim here?
Matter is regarding, Your Lordship, excess withdrawal by the petitioner during his service period.
Huh.
So the authorities have sought for recovery.
Huh.
Our case is that being a grade class 3 employee, he reimbursement of excess withdrawal is not permissible as per the law and the OM.
Yes, then what is your stand?
I am for the accountant, Lordship. I have a role only in respect of GPF, Lordship. Other part, Lordship, administrative department will say, Lordship.
Who is for the administrative department?
Mr. B. Talukdar, my lord, he's supposed to appear in this matter. He's indisposed today, my lord. He's unwell, my lord. Therefore, my lord, the matter may be taken up in the next week, my lord. Any day in the next week.
Or Mr.
My submission may be recorded, Lordship.
What is that?
GPF allotment, Lordship. GPF authority.
What is got the connection with recovery?
He is entitled, Lordship, GPF that has been authorized, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. No, I'll record your name. No. R.K. Talukdar, learned counsel, standing counsel, AG. By placing the, what is this? Communication dated 11/12/2025 by the senior accountant officer. Copy of that. Submits that. What is this? The GPF final payment authority has already been issued to the
Lakhimpur, Lordship. This is
to the block elementary education officer. Therefore, the respondent authority, the respondent AG, Accountant General, has nothing, has no role to play further. No role to play now.
Yes.
Has no role to play further in the matter, Mr. How about Mr. No, Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Counsel. submits that this matter has been entrusted to Mr. B. Talukdar, the standing council, what that elementary education department, who stated, but is indisposed today, therefore press for listing of the matter after a week. Praise allowed, list after 3 weeks. The communication, the copy of the communication dated 12/5/2026, annexing the communication dated 11, and the letter dated 11/12/2025 by the senior accounts officer is kept on record and marks as document X for further reference. Huh?
Timing 20.
20?
Yeah. Our instruction is required in this matter, Lordship. Our affidavit is also required.
Huh? You need the instruction.
Yes, Lordship. Our affidavit is required, Lordship.
Heard, mister?
I'm sorry, Nyaman.
I'm Saranya, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Issy Musari, Lordship.
Who has filed the affidavit?
I'm
Mr. A. Fukar, London,
Lordship, respondent number.
standing council, element of higher education,
3-6.
higher education.
Yes, sir.
Submits that affidavit on behalf of the director, higher education has already been filed. Next para, Mr.
BC Musari.
BC Musari, London council, standing council, BTC. Press for some time to obtain instruction. List of prayer not being prayers allowed. List the matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Fine. Huh? Respondent number? You just said is present. AG is present. Or respondent is present. 35 man. Yes. Yes. What is this?
Here, my lord, in the third para, Lordship will see. Pursuant to the honorable court's order, the petitioner's application has been accepted. And my lord, he has now been directed to appear for the exam for the fourth semester on 18/5/2026, that is on Monday.
Yes.
Unless he complete the fourth semester, he will not be allowed to sit in the seventh. So he will have
Let
to
me take the instruction, Lordship, will have it on.
18.
Yes.
18
On
is,
18, Lordship.
18 is Monday.
Monday, yes. I'll
What
just,
instruction will close it? What is your prayer here?
my prayer was to, my lord,
Allow you to appear in the
fourth semester exam.
fourth semester exam. So will close it.
Lordship. Only one thing,
You
my
sit
lord.
for exam.
Yes, Lord, only one thing, my lord. The seventh semester examination starts on 26th of May this month.
So therefore they'll
They may declare.
They'll take it.
Yes,
Ah.
they may declare that result before the 26th so that I can.
Will not say anything. Once you are allowed, the declaration and all this thing, looking at the next exam will be on 26. They'll do the needful. Why you should
It starts on 26th.
see?
The gap is very little.
Why just cannot do like this?
No, I'm not saying that, my lord, because the difficulty is that even if I pass, if the result doesn't come, my lord, I cannot appear on the 26th. That
They'll
is
take the necessary.
Lordship, you indicate that in the order, my lord, that they will, my lord.
No, we don't have to do all this thing.
Because otherwise, my lord, I will not be able to appear. The entire petition's purpose will be infructuous, even if I pass. That is the even if I pass on 18th, if the result doesn't come, my lord, then I will be in difficulty. Because the delay is not on because of me, my lord. Delay is because of the, my lord, college. The university was very much in my favor. It is the college which delayed, my lord.
Anyway, whatever.
So only after I approach your lordships, my lord, that they have taken this action.
It's
Otherwise,
all right, they have taken, it's well and good.
only thing, my lord, that on before 26, my lord, let the result come so that I'll be allowed to appear. They will not be allowed, permitting me to appear, my lord. That is the difficulty. If the result doesn't come.
No, you first, unless you appear
I'll be appearing.
in the fourth semester, is not it?
Yes.
Fourth
30 mark
semester.
exam. One subject, that is a 30 marks paper.
Third semester, we're closing it.
Lordship.
learned counsel for the, A. Ganguly,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner. Well, no, this petition is filed, has been filed. Seeking permission to appear for the electrotherapy Roman 2, fourth semester mid examination. What is this? Fourth semester?
Fourth semester, mid-semester exam.
Midterm examination.
Yes.
Fourth semester midterm examination. In the, what is BPT course?
Bachelor of Physiotherapy.
Bachelor of Physiotherapy course 8. What is this?
Jorhat Medical College.
Jorhat Medical College and Hospital, Jorhat. And also to allow and also to permit the petitioner to submit the application form and appear for 7th semester. 7th semester, what is the 7th semester, end semester? What does it mean? 7th semester exam.
Final, they call it end semester, it's actually final.
7th semester final within bracket. 7th semester final examination commencing from which is scheduled with effect from 27 or 26?
26th.
26/05/2026. Next better. In terms of the order of this court, that is 08/05/2026. Mr. Next, that is next para. Mr. Bigo, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, by placing the instructions, they placing the copy of the instruction dated 13/05/2026, submits that the petitioner a letter has been issued the petitioner to appear. The petitioner has been allowed to appear for the 4th semester midterm examination of Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Electrotherapy, BPT Electrotherapy, Roman 2, which will be held on 18/05/2026 at Jorhat Medical College and Hospital, Jorhat. List of thereafter, if the petitioner appears and said examination appears in the examination on 18/05/2026, his marks / score will be sent to the university for declaration of result of the 4th semester. And in the event the petitioner successfully passed all subject of 4th semester, he would be allowed to, we will be eligible for appear in the 7th semester examination of the said course. List of next para. Considering above, having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties. And also considering the on perusal of the communication wherein communication is noted here in above, comma. Above the and is agreed to by learned counsel, but as well as agreed to by learned counsel by the parties. The writ petition is closed. It would not. There would not be any. No, keeping the. No, there's no. No consideration is. No further consideration required to be made in the present proceedings, as the grievance of the petitioner to allow him to appear in the fourth semester examination has been allowed. Already has been allowed, which is scheduled to be conducted on 18/05/2024. 26, sorry, 18/05/2026. Next paragraph. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed. Stuff needless to observe that in the event the petitioner appears in the fourth semester exam on 18/05/2026, the college authorities shall take appropriate steps for declaration of result before the not college, the authorities shall take steps for declaration of results so as to enable the petitioner to appear for the seventh semester. In the event he is successful, in the event he clears the fourth semester exams. Fourth semester examination. This person states this positive.
That's idea 36.
I think I have said closed, huh? Then it's okay. Last line is not required. 36.
36.
Yes. Yes, what is to be done?
No, that's per the office note dated 27 February, service is complete, Lordship.
Service complete.
Yes, Lordship.
Where it is?
As per office note dated 27 February, Lordship. On respondent number 4 and 5.
Service completed.
Yes, Lordship.
Where do you get this service report?
That is at the office note, Lordship.
Where is the office note?
Order dated, Lodgement order dated 27 February, Lordship.
Where is this? 27 February of what?
Yes, Lordship. 27 February 26.
26.
No.
Office note.
On receipt. It's not to, yeah, to.
Office note.
Last is 28/2025.
It is there, Lordship.
Oh, 20 February, March.
27 February.
This is affidavit of empowerment, huh?
27 February.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel. You are for?
Number 3 and 5.
3 and 5. Who is for 4? Anybody appearing for 4? Who is respondent number 4?
Well, actually, during that period of time, the one was the chairman of the selection committee.
Service reports instance, and then the services had so and so, huh? And also these are my for respondent 3 and 5. For 1.
2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
There's so many respondent 5, 6.
No, 5 and 6 already, they've already retired.
Still then, you have implemented them.
Yes, Lordship.
Then
No, 5 has already retired, way back, they have,
it doesn't matter. You have already implemented 6 and 7.
regarding them, service was completed long back, Lordship.
Services are complete. This for admission after 4 weeks. 2014 matter.
No,
Sorry, 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship, 2 weeks.
After 1 week.
Okay.
2014 matter.
Wait, please, your lordship. As per the last order, your lordship, respondent number 8 was supposed to file an affidavit.
We'll be filing it today during the course of the day, my lord.
Hmm?
Affidavit on behalf of containment number 8 will be filed during the course of the day.
Or
I have
MS
served the advance notice.
learned counsel for the Mr. Yes, that's learned counsel for the Alice container number 8 submits that an affidavit would be filed. He would be filing the affidavit during the course of the day. Therefore, first for listing of the matter after 2 weeks, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Apply for.
May it please, Your Lord.
Yes.
My lord, today is fixed by order dated 24/2026, my lord. Honorable court, today is fixed for my lord explaining the charge against the director, my lord. Please may kindly see, my lord, order dated 24/2026. May I read, my lord?
Complied.
No, my lord.
Huh?
And in the after this order, they came before the honorable division bench, and the division bench writ appeal was also dismissed, my lord.
You have not complied.
Have not, my lord.
Huh?
Here we have preferred an appeal, that was also dismissed.
Then
We have to comply, my lord.
why this? Why this is?
Well, this is
Why
the-
this
That
instruction?
is the instruction I have received, my lord. That is why I'm.
See, where is the where is the direction?
Direction, please may kindly see. Hold on.
May I pray, my lord, one last chance, maybe even if we have failed to comply, my lord, let.
For page 26, my lord, from onwards, my lord. Para 11, my lord. Page 27, my lord.
Will pass press orders upon the references and seeking confirmation.
Since the existence of the school is not in disputant, the informant captured dice code for the so-and-so except so-and-so, therefore the non-availability of the dice code of the 2000 reason for which cannot be attributed petitioner school and cannot be considered to be default on the part of the petitioner, disentitle the petitioner school from the benefit of the provincialization order already made by the government. The writ petition is allowed, indicated above, directing the director will pass a period of 30 days from today.
My lord, may I pray?
You was-
One last chance may be given, my lord, matter may be fixed on 22, my lord.
On that, the Lordship.
Well,
may pass
that the
appropriate
director
order,
may
my lord.
come because of that, there is a specific 3 orders are there for expelling the
One last
charges,
chance,
my
my
lord.
lord.
They
On
file
22,
review,
if I
review
fail, my
dismiss.
lord, Lordship may pass appropriate order.
Writ appeal was also dismissed, and earlier 2 occasions he came, director is come. Today, my lord, your lordship is directed next day to came before the honorable court for explaining these charges.
I am praying for only one chance, my lord. If I will fail, my lordship may pass appropriate order.
Always
On
they say.
22, my lord.
If you want to comply, we'll grant you, other we'll call the director.
Providing one chance, my lord.
1 week for compliance,
On 22, my lord.
22. And Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Where is the order dated 20/04/2026?
Oh.
Mr. However, on the prayer of Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel for the Alice contemners, a week's time is granted for compliance of the order of this court dated 27/11/2020, passed in the WPC 2184 of 2017 for compliance
Will fail, my lord.
accordingly. List on 22
If you
05
fail, director may come, my lord.
25/05/23.
On my lord 21, my lord.
22.
I'm difficult, 21.
23, make it 20. 23 is what?
23 is Saturday, my lord.
On 25.
Then after that 26.
26. My lord 22, my lord.
22.
But much.
Obliged.
Bora, nothing doing.
Oh, my lord. I
I
can
always
understand.
had.
Obliged, my lord. I will.
41 though, I am not, I am on behalf of B Prosecutor, I am appearing lordship. Here to give the benefit to the petitioner lordship, some rule has been amended. So that process is going to take some time, lordship. We have to amend, we already, it has have to be notified, and then on their case will have to be considered, lordship.
And Mr.
B. Malakar.
Huh?
B. Malakar.
B. Malakar, learned counsel for the petitioner. As spread for Mr. SMT State, learned counsel for the Alice contemner.
B Prosecutor, I am appearing.
Yeah, Alice contemner will say. Further 3 weeks time is,
Yes.
no, 3 weeks time is granted to take necessary steps for compliance of the courts of order of this court.
Item 42, we have issued a compliance order, lordship may kindly. I have given a copy to them also. Take the details. The action was to place before the SLSC lawsuit. That was placed, ultimately, it was found that she has not continued that,
Heard Miss MS
Armedi.
Armedi, learned counsel for the petitioner. By placing the speaking order dated, copy of the speaking order dated 14/05/2026, passed by the Director Secondary Education, Assam, Mr. SMT State learned counsel for the Alice contemner submits that order of this court dated 26/04/2024, passed in WPC 2059 of 2024 has duly been complied with. Mr. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. The copy of the speaking order so and so, order dated 14/05/2026 is kept on record and marked as document X. Considered but rejected.
I don't know. my lord, actually
Complied, rejected.
They have stated,
You
my
may-
lord,
you may-
there is a doubt.
You may challenge this.
Yes.
The direction has been complied with, but your grievance has been rejected.
Yes.
Item 43. See, the petitioner is a widow of
That Atul Chandra Vora, he was the employee of Gauhati University. Till his demise, he was getting pension. But thereafter, Lordship, they have stopped giving payment to the widow, Lordship.
What is to be done today?
Lordship, university has filed their affidavit.
Ah,
Lordship, I pray that matter may be disposed of, Lordship. Because as per law.
no, this will be listed for service of no service is deemed complete. Which for respondent number 5?
But see, nobody is appeared, matter listed before Lojima Court, service was accepted.
Ah.
But see, in
No,
fact,
that will say we listed for the
what's the list for
Admission.
admission hearing next week, Lordship.
next week we fix so many after 2 weeks.
Lordship, because
Or
Lordship,
next week.
the matter relating to pension, Lordship, and she is suffering, Lordship.
Who is for the respondent?
Assam University, Lordship, Pranav Fukan is there. Lordship, we file affidavit, Lordship.
Saying what?
Lordship, actually, in fact, they have only said that he is not entitled to pension.
Then
But Lordship, as per rule, widow is entitled to pension after demise of her husband, Lordship. This is a rule of the university, says Lord.
and Mr. SCK Learned Senior Counsel assisted by MS so-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Service in respect of respondent 5 is complete. None appears for the respondents list for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
It will be possible next week, Lordship.
Huh?
If possible next week, because matter is urgency.
We have
because-
fixed so many matters next
Lots.
week. After 2 weeks. Then
1st June. Lordship.
Item 44, I need some time because we have sent a matter to the government for its instruction
and
notice
Mr.
for compliance, so. Yes, my lord.
Ashok Learned Counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for by Mr. SMT Sisti Learned Counsel for the Alice Contemner. For the 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. 3 weeks.
Complied with the order, lordship, we have issued a compliance order. Hey, here to DSC.
Yes, madam, complied. Same order.
Same order, lordship. It was rejected because.
And MS so-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioner. By same order.
Yeah.
Placing the copy of the order dated 24/02/2026 passed by Director Secretary Education, Assam. Mr. SMT Sisti Learned Counsel for the Alice Contemner. Submitted. The order dated 01/04/2024 passed in WPC 2329 of 20/2022 has duly been complied with. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. Closed and disposed of. Closed. Copy of the so and so 24/02/2026 is kept on record so and so. Complied. Happy?
You have to challenge this one, lordship. You have to challenge this one.
Complied but rejected your grievance.
Here, lordship, we are going to file an affidavit by Monday, lordship. May kindly fix it on any date next week,
And
lordship.
Mr. M. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. SMT Sisti Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be granted a week's time to file affidavit. Praise the Lord. List after a week. List after a week.
Any date, Lordship.
After 2 weeks, then lordship it did. Yes, we will.
Lordship, in this case, the service is complete upon all the respondents, so no affidavits filed till date.
Heard Mr.
M. Das.
M. Das Learned Counsel for the applicant.
For the petitioner in the WBC.
Applicant oblique petitioner. Service is complete.
Some time to file affidavit. We are appearing for.
MS on as prayed for by Mr. S. Das Learned Standing Counsel. Higher Education.
120.
Time for.
And so Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Are granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit. 3 weeks.
There are interim orders, Lordship. that
Interim
may
order
continue.
passed earlier shall continue.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 48.
Heard Miss MS. Why this is listed for orders today?
Service upon respond number 4 and.
That is for has been. Service is complete.
Yes, my lord.
Heard MS so and so learn council for the British services in respect of respond number 4 and 5 are complete, huh? As spread for Mr.
No, for respondent
You
number
shall
120.
learn council, standing council,
Yes, my lord.
elementary, secondary education. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit of list after 3 weeks.
49.
Office note, non appears for the petitioner on call of next office note that is 13/05/2026 indicates that as per the order dated 08/05/2026, learned counsel for the petitioner has appeared before the registry for replacement of the annexure 12, but with the same copy, therefore same could not be allowed. Same could not, no, therefore no replacement could be allowed to be done. No, therefore no replacement could be made, could be done. Next one. Next one, considering above, that this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the land council for the petitioners to take appropriate, to take necessary steps. Huh?
Item 50.
Some time is required.
M. Khan learned, Mr. M. Khan learned council. For what? Complaints?
For instruction, my lord.
As prayed for by Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the Alice contemner. 2 weeks further time is granted to obtain. 3 weeks further times to.
Again 3 weeks.
2 weeks time to get further instruction. Further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. Huh?
Item 51.
Same.
No, in item 51, Lordship, we have taken step as per this honorable court through register.
What is it, serve or not?
As well as, no, neither AD nor answer notice is received. And let my prayer.
Office note that heard Mr. M. Khan counsel.
The registry be
Heard
directed to place the check consignment, Lordship.
None counsel for the petitioner. Office note dated 05/05/2026 indicates that neither the editor nor answer notice received back. from respondent 1 and 2. Accordingly, list for list after 3 weeks, awaiting service report.
Service.
My lord, my lord, item 49, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. I was in another court, my lord. 49. It is shown as non-appears. Let the matter be listed next week because this is the case of non-payment of salary, my lord.
You have not done your part.
No, my lord, I was in another court. That's why.
You have not done your part. Have you seen the office on?
Yes,
office
there is
note?
the office. No,
You
office-
went
yes,
there
yes.
to replace the annexer 12,
Yes, my
but
lord.
you were doing the same copy. Therefore, the same could not be allowed.
Acha.
We have passed you record her name? MSK Devi. In place of non-appear, na? K Devi. I have passed the order.
Yes, my
3
lord.
weeks, within 3 weeks, you take the necessary.
3 weeks because
necessary
the
steps.
check is relates to non-payment of salary. He did not get the
First, you
salary.
do your job to make
Okay.
up the defects.
Okay. Highly obliged.
Well, page 19, STH candidate has been appointed as an STP candidate. So we
IA is
find-
for what, sir?
But today, this IAS Director Higher Education has to take instruction as regard the committee report. Your Lordship will kindly see page 20, the relevant portion of the interim order.
Page 20.
Yes, relevant portion. The present proceeding has been instituted by the petitioner assailing the appointment made in respect of respondent number 8 herein against the grade 4 cadre post by reckoning him to be an STP candidate, whereas it is the categorical contention of the petitioner that the respondent number 8 belongs to STH category. The petitioner in this connection has contended to have approached the state level scrutiny committee by raising the said grievance by representation dated so and so. However, the outcome of the said representation has not been communicated to the petitioner. In view of the above, the respondent number 8 having already joined in his service, the same will be disturbed. However, such appointment is made subject to the outcome of the writ petition. Now, page 20, your Lordship will kindly see 21. 21, last portion, your Lordship. This is the report of the committee. Last portion, your Lordship will kindly see. Siri belongs to Riang community. Community, that is respondent number 8, which is enlisted as ST under any key tribes in 2 autonomous district, a hills district of Assam, which is recognized as STH. Hence, Sri Diang Riang, son of Sri so-and-so, village so-and-so, does not belong to STP candidate. So STP candidate's post has been filled up by an STH candidate. So are we represented before the appointing authority by representation dated at page 23. They are to take instructions of the matter.
What is the case there in the main writ petition?
Main writ petition is this matter that
The
he
appointment
belongs-
is put to challenge.
Yes.
Appointment
because
of respondent number 8 is put to challenge.
Yes.
But then there's an interim order already.
There is interim order is there, but now the committee has already given a final report saying that he belongs to STH
So we'll
category.
just allow them to obtain instruction. Yes, heard Mr. in IA, huh? BD Das, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Learned Counsel, but the petitioner, applicant, public writ petitioner. Next period, this application is filed seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to consider the petition and representation and to set aside the illegal appointment of respondent number. Set aside the appointment, will not say appointment, will not say illegal. Set aside the appointment of respondent number 8 and to appoint the petitioner in his place as the next para. Please, next para. Mr. Now, considering that the state level scrutiny committee has passed the speaking order on 21/01/2026, with a return with a finding that the petitioner, respondent number 8
Belongs to HT.
It does not belongs to STP.
Yes.
Community ST within bracket P, bracket close, Community of Assam, comma. The will not issue notice, will direct them to obtain instruction. Huh?
Or your lordship may direct the
Expert,
director
Mr.
higher education to take action on the basis of the report.
Mr. S. Das Learned Council, Standing Council, Higher Education Department to obtain instructions. Next para. The respondent authorities, particular director,
Director higher education.
higher education. What steps?
Directed to take action on the basis of the report of the committee.
Is expected to
Take all on.
expected to take appropriate action in view of the speaking order dated 21/01/2026 passed by the state level scrutiny committee. We'll just say, since we are asking them to obtain instruction, we'll just record that only.
Yeah.
It is observed that, the director says, When I said
Penalty will not be a bar for.
sentence,
Good, yeah.
it is observed, it is observed that, the director, respondent authorities, particularly Director of Higher Education Sciences, is expected to take or initiate appropriate steps. Action, is expected to take appropriate steps in view of the science,
On the basis of speaking order dated 21/1/26.
That I've said, sir.
Deeply.
List the matter after 2 weeks, 3 weeks. 3 weeks,